Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best treadmills for 2026, perfect for home workouts, whether you're walking, jogging, or running. We'll cover features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one fits your lifestyle best. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which treadmill to pick. We've got compact foldables, smart app-enabled models, automatic incline machines, and even under-desk options. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get moving. Number 1. SereneLife 3.5 HP 13% manual incline. The SereneLife treadmill is perfect if you want a compact yet powerful treadmill. The foldable design makes it easy to store, and the 13% manual incline adds intensity for more challenging workouts. The Bluetooth speakers and app sync make it fun to track your progress or listen to music while running. Overall, it's a solid home treadmill for both beginners and intermediate runners. Compact foldable design, 3.5 HP motor, great for walking and running, 13% manual incline, Bluetooth and speakers, heart rate monitor, and app sync. Pros, foldable, strong motor, app and Bluetooth, heart rate monitor. Cons, manual incline might be less convenient, slightly pricier. If you want something a little more compact and office-friendly, our next treadmill is perfect for multitasking. Number 2, Walking Pad 12% incline 4-in-1 folding. This treadmill is designed for home or office use. The compact design fits under desks and it's surprisingly quiet. Perfect for walking while you work or light jogging. While it's not ideal for heavy running, it's great for staying active during long work days. 0.6 to 10 mph speed range, under-desk design, 12% incline, app and Bluetooth speaker. Pros, ultra-compact, quiet, portable, app and Bluetooth integration. Cons, not ideal for running, smaller running surface. Next up, a treadmill that lets you work and walk at the same time. Number 3, 3-in-1 under-desk treadmill 3.5 HP. This is perfect for multitaskers. You can work at your laptop while walking. The motor is strong enough for walking and light jogging, and the wristband remote makes speed adjustments simple. It's compact, so it fits in small spaces without getting in the way. Removable desk workstation, 3.5 HP motor, foldable and compact, wristband remote control. Pros, work and walk, strong motor, foldable, wristband remote. Cons, the desk may be small for large laptops, not for heavy running. If you want a budget-friendly, lightweight option for your home, check out our next treadmill. Number 4, small home treadmill, 3.0 HP, lightweight. This treadmill is budget-friendly and perfect for walking or light jogging. It's easy to move, fits in small spaces, and the handles make it safe for everyone. If you don't need fancy features, this treadmill does the job well without taking up too much room. 3.0 HP motor, lightweight and portable, compact with handles, 300 pounds weight capacity. Pros, affordable, lightweight, easy to store, handles for safety. Cons, weaker motor, limited incline options. Finally, for those who want a serious home running machine, check out this last treadmill. THERUN 3.5 HP 0 to 15% auto incline. The THERUN treadmill is perfect for serious runners at home. With a wide belt, automatic incline, and a powerful 3.5 HP motor, it gives a gym-like experience. The app tracks your progress, and the heart rate monitor keeps your workouts safe. It's slightly heavier and pricier, but for intensive home workouts, it's worth it. Automatic incline, 0 to 15%, 3.5 HP motor, wide belt, app and heart rate tracking, 300 pounds weight capacity. Pros, powerful motor, wide surface, automatic incline, app and heart rate tracking. Cons, heavier, higher price. And there you have it, the top 5 best treadmills for 2026. Whether you want a compact under-desk treadmill, a foldable home option, or a powerful running machine, there's something for every lifestyle. Check the links in the description to grab the treadmill that fits you best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.